if this is making a lot of sense, then why the hell are you still optimizing your campaigns for just purchases? Why are you still saying dog? It would make sense to classify this a little bit further to say this is an animal, this is a human, okay? Than bluntly saying animal, not animal. We have to train the model in a way it will say this is an animal, this is an human, okay? It would make more sense. Now you have a little bit of more context than just simply saying animal, not animal, animal, not animal. Now it's saying, okay, this is an animal, this is a human, okay? This is one level step down where you are training the algorithm saying, classify this properly. So you train the model for animal and human. Now, what ideally you would say, but what the model is going to say. What would be your answer? Dog and cat. Okay. Anything else? Animal. Are you a machine? So the machine will go and say it's animal. Okay. But a human would say it's dog and cat. Right? That's exactly what we want. So you don't want, when you show two different animals, it's say animal. That doesn't make sense. It makes sense to a top level, but ideally what we want is we want the machine to say dog and cat. Now, what happens? Dog. As a human, can we differentiate? We can differentiate, right? But so far what you have done is you have trained the model with dog. And whenever you show an image, the model is going to say dog. But that's not exactly what we want, because we can train the model, go one step further and then say, okay, this is a dog, but it's German Shepherd. This is a dog, Pomeranian, okay? And this is a dog, and that's Labrador, right? This would make a lot of sense, right? Okay, if this is making a lot of sense, then why the hell are you still optimizing your campaigns for just purchases when you can actually segment those purchases into multiple areas and train the algorithm? Why are you still saying dog? Okay, why do you want to say dog? So whenever you go to a Facebook, whenever you go, or even Google Ads, and whenever you're going to choose the conversion optimization as a generic one, always remember dog. Okay, and always remember that. Okay, this is like a life lesson. And whenever you're going to choose the optimization, always remember dog. Whether can we say dog, or should we go ahead and say, okay, Pomeranian or German Shepherd or Labrador? Okay, that's one question you should always ask. Would it make sense to say dog or the breed of the dog? We are coming to a part now that we all agree, now that we all understand dog makes no sense.